Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2022 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. So this is a 34-foot boat. We got lots of options, tons of stuff to go through. So let's go to the interior and take a look at what this boat provides. All right, welcome aboard this 34 GLS. So there's a lot to look at, a lot of cool features. We'll start here in the back with the swim platform. The 34 GLS has just a massive swim platform, so much room back here for family, friends to hang out. You got some nice seats in the back, a seat over there. So when you are chilling back in here, you got some cup holders, you got access to your stereo, you can get everything done. And then up underneath is actually a swim step. So when you're in the water, I can press a button and stairs will go out underneath into the water. You can use them to board back onto the boat if you're just swimming, or just to hang out on as well. There is a boarding ladder on the port side as well. So let's take a look at some of the more of the interior here. We've got a nice little station right here. This is my grilling station. So I've got a nice grill sitting in here with a little sink. So that's a cool option to have. We do have a nice refrigerator. Got area for a little freezer, nice place to keep your drinks and everything. There is a garbage can right there as well. So nice little entertainment area on the bar. I want to show you this too. It does have what they call a sunshade. So this is a button you press and the whole shade will go out and will cover this back area. So on those really hot days that you want to get a little bit out of the sun, you can do that with a push of a button. So that's really nice to have. And then as we come into the cockpit area, we've got some nice wraparound seating here. There is storage underneath both of those seats, so if you got stuff to put away, there is storage areas there. We've got the nice teak tables with a really nice fine finish, and then also some cup holders, more cup holders. Can never have enough cup holders, and this boat's got it. So we got access down to the engine, different areas down in there for any sort of mechanical information down there as well. We've got just some more storage underneath this seat, but the nice seat here. And then as we keep moving forward, we've got obviously the captain's chair, probably a dual helm here. You could probably fit a couple people there. We've got a seat right here with a backrest. This backrest does move forward and back if you want to face aft. Up here at the helm, back at the helm, we do have a bolster seat, so when you're driving, if you want to get up a little bit higher, you can. Also want to point out in the tower here, we got the nice Rockford Fosgate. You can kind of see their lights are going off. You can do that with all the speakers that are within the boat. It will do that by the press of a button. We've got the nice twin engine. So this is going to be Mercury. They're the 8.2 liter mags, so plenty of power for this boat to get you up on plane. And then around docks or lifts or anything like that, we've got the nice joystick control. So I can twist left or right, I can push it left or right, forward, back. I mean, you don't even need to use the wheel or the throttles. You can just use the joystick. Works like a charm. There is another option on there called Skyhook, which is great if you're just hanging out waiting for another boat to pass or going through a channel. You can hit Skyhook and the boat will keep you GPSed in that exact location without you having to mess with the throttles or anything. So that's an awesome feature to have. Love the steering wheel. This is a nice leather wrap steering wheel with their nice Cruisers Yachts logo right in here. Just really cool, really comfortable, beautiful looking steering wheel. We've got the dual SIM-RAD screens. Both screens you can have up with the exact same information or different information. I can actually split this screen or that screen, so you could have almost up to 4 different things going on up at these SIM-RADs as you'd like. We got a nice redundant controls right in here, turning on lights, blower, wiper. You know, you've got your windlass information up here, and then just some more buttons up in here. So everything is right at your fingertips for being the captain at the helm. Another Rockford Fosgate control right here at the helm. Like I said, there's one in the back, there's one here, there is one at the bow, and then there is one down in the cabin area as well. So nice, nice captain's area here. We do have the nice sunroof that opens up. It just has a handle right here. You can pull it forward and back. So on those days you don't really need it open, you can close it. Otherwise, most of the time, people love to have this open. Gets the sun shining right down on you. Why don't you follow me to the bow? We've got a nice big walkway right here. I'll point out real quick here, we got the nice wind dam door. So you can shut that. We can shut the windshield. And on those cooler days, you can have it so the wind's not coming in, keeping you a little bit more comfortable on those windier days or cooler days. And that just locks into place. Now we'll come up into the bow. This is a massive bow. You can have, I would say, 5 or 6 people pretty comfortably up here. You got some nice backrests. This pops down for a couple cup holders. You got armrests that pop down. This is a pad that can be put into here so you can create more of a lounging area. We've got storage underneath a couple of these. There's actually a cooler up underneath there. And then also the last thing I want to mention up here in the bow is the access to your windlass. So I have access to my windlass anchor, and then I have a couple buttons right here, my up and down. So it's really easy to use that. Like I said, you have access at the helm for your windlass, but it's kind of nice to have it right here as well. So last thing I want to show you is the cabin area. So let's go take a look at that. All right, welcome to the cabin area of this 34 GLS. This is an awesome day boat, and on those days that maybe you need a rest or you want to do a night over, this is a nice appointed cabin to be able to do that. A couple people would be able to fit down here just fine. So I'll point out we got another refrigerator like we had up in the cockpit area, so we got access for that. We do have a nice seating area right in here. You can fill it all in. If you wanted to take a nap or anything like that, there is a place to fill this in, so somebody could sleep here as well. We do have another Rockford Fosgate information center down here to take control of things. I got a microwave. And then also what I want to show you here is a well-pointed head. So we've got a nice big head area. We got your toilet, obviously, the sink, and then this is a wet head. So it has a shower. So you can take a shower in this particular head as well. Then the other thing I want to show you is just down into here, a nice little sleeping area. We got some pillows, maybe 1 or 2 people down in there. So really nice, like I said, a 34 GLS, great day boat. If you're looking to go out, hang out with your family and friends, if you wanted to do an overnight, you have the ability to do that. So really love this 34 GLS. This boat is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come see it, please give us a call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We can walk you through the boat. We have water nearby. We can do demos with it, get the feel of it. So we'd love to see you out here. Click the like button, and as always, click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.